你好，我打電話嚟，因為我最近收到醫院嘅賬單，我有幾個問題想問，我唔係好清楚有啲收費係乜嘢，所以想請你幫我解釋一下。
Of course. I'd be happy to go over your bill with you. Before we begin, could you please verify your full name and date of birth?
當然可以，我叫 Sarah Lam，出生日期係1985年4月15號。
Thank you for verifying your information. I have your account open now, so let's take a look at your statement together.
我見到有一項化驗服務收費，但我唔記得嗰次睇醫生有做過任何化驗。
According to your medical record, your doctor ordered some routine blood work while you were in the emergency department. Those tests are billed separately from your physician's services.
我仲留意到賬單上有一項醫學影像檢查收費，嗰項係唔係我照 X 光嗰次嘅費用？我以為我嘅保險會支付大部分費用，點解我仲要俾咁多錢？
Yes, that's correct. The imaging fee covers the X-ray itself as well as the radiologist's interpretation of the results. Your insurance paid a portion of the bill based on your policy benefits. The remaining balance includes your deductible, co-insurance, and any non-covered services.
你可唔可以話我知，我嘅保險實際支付咗幾多錢？
Absolutely. Your insurance paid $2,150 toward your hospital charges, and your remaining responsibility is $685. Reviewing your explanation of benefits is a great way to confirm those amounts.
如果我而家冇辦法一次過付清所有費用，你哋有冇分期付款計劃？如果用分期付款，會唔會收利息或者額外手續費？
Yes, we offer several payment plan options depending on your balance. We can set up affordable monthly payments that fit your budget. Most of our standard payment plans are interest-free as long as you make your payments on time. I'll be happy to explain the available options before we enroll you.
我有冇機會符合資格申請任何經濟援助計劃呢？
Yes, our hospital offers financial assistance for patients who meet certain income requirements. I can mail or email you an application and explain the documents you'll need to submit.
你可唔可以而家即刻電郵份申請表俾我？
Absolutely. I'll send the application to the email address we have on. You should receive it within the next few minutes, and if you don't see it, please check your spam or junk folder before giving us a call back.
係，我收到啦。我仲有另一個問題，我睇完醫院之後收到兩張唔同嘅賬單，一張係醫院寄嚟嘅，另一張係醫生診所寄嚟嘅，點解會分開兩張賬單？
That's a very common question. The hospital bills for the facility and services you received, while the physician bills separately for their professional services during your visit.
我留意到賬單上有一項醫療用品收費，你可唔可以話我知，我接受治療期間用咗啲乜嘢醫療用品？
Certainly. Medical supplies can include items such as bandages, for equipment, syringes, or disposable medical devices that were used during your care.
我仲留意到有一項加熱氈嘅收費，我從來冇自己要求過，而且住院期間，護士直接拎咗張加熱氈俾我，都冇問過我需唔需要。既然唔係我要求嘅，我覺得自己唔應該負責呢項收費，所以我想提出扣錢嘅要求。
Unfortunately, I don't have the authority to remove charges from your account. What I can do is open a billing dispute and document exactly what you've explained, that the heated blanket was provided by the nursing staff without you requesting it. Our billing review team will evaluate the charge and determine whether it should remain on your account.
冇問題，我想繼續提出呢項爭議，因為我真係覺得唔應該因為人哋冇經我同意，亦冇問過我，就直接拎俾我嘅嘢而向我收費。請問帳單審查通常要幾耐？有結果之後，會唔會有人通知我？
Of course. I'll document your concerns and submit the dispute today so our billing review team can investigate the charge. Reviews generally take about 7 to 10 business days, and we'll contact you once a decision has been made. If the review results in any changes to your bill, we'll send you a revised statement showing the updated balance.
多謝你，我真係好感激你花時間同我解釋得咁詳細，仲幫我處理呢啲帳單問題。我會等7至10個工作天，俾你哋完成帳單審查。
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help today. Thank you for calling the hospital billing department. We hope you have a great day. Goodbye.